Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire and I'm going to show you my very first unboxing for October, and it is Look Fantastic. So this arrived this morning. Don't know any spoilers, can't remember the sneak peek from last month, so it's all a surprise for me. So nice box though. We always get a really gorgeous designed box and I keep them all. I've got stacks now. I've been with Look Fantastic. It'd be a year next month, so it's nearly my anniversary with Look Fantastic. And some months are better than others, but generally I absolutely love them. We had a really good month last month, so I'm hoping our October box is just going to be as good. So if you're new to my channel and you don't know anything about Look Fantastic, then I will just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about and what sort of things you can expect to receive, etc. But if you are a regular and you just want to skip through all that and get to the actual content, so I'll put a timestamp down below so you're free to skip forward all the detail. So back to what it is. It is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £15 a month and that includes free shipping, and you are free to cancel any time. Now inside the box you get a mix of beauty products. You get 6 items. It is skincare heavy, so if you're really into your skincare this might be the box for you, but if you're really into your makeup then it might not be the box for you. They tend to have quite a few sample sizes in here, but it's deluxe samples, and you do get, you do get full size items, but I'm just giving you honest opinion here just to save you like going out thinking you're going to get something and you're not going to be happy with it, because you don't want that, because it's £15. So not one of the most expensive boxes, but obviously not one of the most cheapest ones either. So you do get a good mix, but the sample sizes do tend to be high-end brands like Elemis, for instance, which I love. And I love receiving an Elemis product in here. You do get some makeup items, but it's generally skincare. The value of the box always outweighs the actual cost that it cost you to pay for it, so that is quite good. I will find out how much the box is worth, because inside they don't tell you the prices of the items, but as I always do, I will seek that out and I'll write it down in the description. So, and with links to the Look Fantastic website. So if you're interested in taking a look for yourself, or if you're just interested in looking for a subscription, seeing what it's all about, a bit more information, then click on the show more. That'll bring a description and everything will be down there. So I forgot to mention that Look Fantastic is a worldwide subscription box, so it's great that you can, no matter where you are, you can get a Look Fantastic if it's something that you fancy, that is. But if not, then it doesn't matter. So let's get inside. So inside the box you'll get a leaflet, and in here it's like a little magazine telling you what's on their website or their beauty products. They usually have like interviews and things like that, but they also have all the information about the products featured inside this box, which I'll refer to as we go along. Now on the back of this magazine it gives you a sneak peek, and we are getting a Dark Wonder. What is a Dark Wonder? This November we embrace the darker nights and the glitz of bonfire night with our Dark Wonder edit. So that's the theme, okay? So it says your sneak peek for November is a Mellow Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in black. No, I've never heard of Mellow, have you? That's what it looks like there. Ooh. We also get a magazine every month, and this is a free subscription to Elle magazine. It is, what is it? It's normally £4.40, so we are getting a Elle subscription for free included in the box. So I quite like that, and I've just seen there's some samples in there which I like to go for, or some perfumes. So yeah. And this is the box. It's always tissue paper, always a sticker. So let's open it up and I'll show you first. Here we go. And then I'll put it down to the side of me and I'll pick an item up, show you, and then we'll have a little bit of a sniff as I normally do, and a little chat about it. First item, oh, what's this? Ahava Active Dead Sea Minerals Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. So this is, just says water, and it's a 40ml. So this is probably a like travel size or a deluxe travel size maybe. Never heard of this before, but a mineral body lotion. And see, oh, it hasn't got a sealy thing on it. Oh, the smell is nice. That reminds me of honeysuckle, and I don't know why, but it's bringing me back to my 12-year-old self when I was working as a caravan cleaner. I shouldn't really say that on YouTube, should I? I don't know, that is weird, but that smell has just brought me back there. A 12-year-old cleaner. Started young. I did get a few pound, but so there's no child labour or anything going on. It was just I'll shut up now. Right, so what's it say in here? So the theme of this month's box is hidden gems. As we start to suffer the post-summer blues, this month's box is all about embracing positive energy and self-care through beauty. Should have said that at the start. So it says, this incredible body lotion uses the power of Dead Sea water, rich in skin-friendly minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium, increase skin's moisture level, providing all-day comfort. Let the formula nourish your itchy, dry skin and provide refreshing hydration in a fast-absorbing formula that will not leave skin greasy or sticky. Oh, that sounds really nice, and I just love that smell. No, but it keeps bringing me back to working as a cleaner. It must be, I don't know, one of the sprays I had that sort of smell in it, but it is like a honeysuckle. Right, next item, something bubble wrap. Oh, it's Pixi by Petra. Oh, now I've had one of these recently. It's their blush. I think it was in Glossy Box advent calendar, but if it is, then I'll pop that in my future giveaway box, because there's no point me having two, and I'm sure it's the same colour as well. Yeah, beach rose. Yeah, no, it's lovely. Really, really nice. So I'm not going to open it up or swatch, but hopefully you can see there. It's like a gorgeous matte terracotta corally sort of shade. But I love receiving Pixi items. This natural blush will add a healthy glow to your complexion with its warm toned colour. This cult brand focuses on creating pure and botanical infused formulas that give skin a fresh and radiant appearance. Enhance your own natural beauty with this fresh face blush. So that's our second item in the box. Third item, it's a mask. Oh, it's a bubble mask. I love bubble masks. So I've never heard of this brand before. It's Talika Paris, and it's bubble mask bio detox. And it's oxygenated bamboo charcoal anti-pollution mask, purifies and unclogs, illuminates the complexion, moisturizes and soothes. Oh, whoa. Oh, I'm gonna have to try that. I have got a little bit of a series going on my channel on masks, on face masks, and a few of them are bubble masks. So the winner for the most bubbles so far is the Nip and Fab Extreme Bubble Mask. I can't remember the exact name, but Extreme is in the title. But it just made me look like a big fluffy panda. Oh, it's hysterical, but made my face feel really nice. So no, I will be trying that on my channel, maybe on the weekend. But what's it say about it in here? Transform your skin with the Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox, an innovative foaming charcoal mask that contains thousands of nourishing micro bubbles. On contact with skin, the formula effectively detoxes, hydrates and unclogs block pores to banish all impurities, revealing clear, bright and glowing skin. No, I can't wait to try that. I love trying things that are a little bit different. Right, so next item is a Mono Skin. We've had Mono Skin a few times, but I don't think, no, we haven't had this one before. It's a line smoothing. It's a night renewal complex cream. Combination skin, marine collagen with vitamin E, and this is a 30ml. So this is either a sample or like a deluxe sample or like a mini. I'm not too sure. I will find it out and I will link it down below. But what's it? It's good that it's combination skin. It's more accessible, because if it was just for like greasy skins, then it doesn't suit me. I have got normal to combination skin, or else if it's just for dry, it might not suit people. So yeah, combination is okay, not too bad. No, it's quite subtle, quite nice. I love a face cream. So what does it say here? Right, so it says, refresh and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. This lavish treatment ensures you wake up brighter with an improved natural elasticity of your skin. Containing marine collagen and polysaccharides, the complex revitalizes your complex while fine lines are smoothed out, firmness is restored and signs of aging are prevented. After cleansing and toning, massage into the face and neck every night using gentle upward movements. So I love nighttime creams. I'm currently using a Sunday Riley set at the moment, which I received in a glossy box last week. So once that runs out, I'll give this a go. But I want to carry on using the Sunday Riley stuff. I don't want to stop and change my routine, so at the moment it's going really nice, but it's really expensive and there's only one size full product in the box that I received. All the others are tiny samples, so I don't know. Anyway, next item is a Prai Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream, and this is a 15ml pot. You can see there. A little pot there. I love the packaging, that's quite nice. I'm going to try a little bit on my hand there. No, nice, very subtle smell. You know, it feels really nice on the skin as well. So what does it say here? So this is Prai. It's spelled P-R-A-I. So apologies if I'm saying that wrong. Prai. Did you know your neck ages faster than your face? Well, this #1 selling cream by Prai is going to be an absolute lifesaver. The weightless, fast-absorbing formula improves crepey skin, double chins, oh I need that, droopy jowls and turkey necks with visible results in 7 days. The ingredients of mulberry saxifrage and grapeseed extract combines to brighten and diminish age spots and discoloration while shea butter hydrates. Oh, that sounds absolutely wonderful. I think I've had one product before for my neck in a previous box. Not a Look Fantastic, I think it was a glossy box. Might be wrong though. But no, I think that's quite a nice thing to pop in a box, isn't it? So anything to help my double chins, anything, but I do think I need to cut back on the food and the wine. Really, I don't think a cream is really going to help that really, for me anyway. So the next item, this is a sample of, it's Dr. Lip and it's a tint. Ooh, elderberry pigment, 100% natural, 8ml tint. So I'm assuming this is a little sample. I'm not sure if you can buy them this size or not. In Dr. Lip we had a load of products last year in subscription boxes, but we had the lip balm. It's like a Vaseline, but it's really good, really good. So never had this before, so this is a lip tint. I'm assuming it's the same formula as the original lip balm, but with a tint in it. And why isn't it not coming out? Oh my gosh, that is really hard. Oh, I can get it now. Oh, it's nice colour. Nice berry colour. You can see there, my finger. So, it feels nice. I love these anyway. So you get one of two products. You either get the elderberry lip tint, which is what I've got, or the original nipple balm for dry skin, which is the one I was talking about. So for me personally, because I've had that original nipple balm, lip balm, I've had that loads of times. So for me, having this one, I'm really happy because I've already got, you know, one of the others. So a global cult beauty staple designed to leave lips soft and smooth with a high gloss finish, originally created as a nipple balm for breastfeeding women. It's become an essential amongst top celebrity makeup artists to create extra long lasting lip gloss and priming before makeup. Use this either to relieve chapped lips or to intensely moisturize areas of dry skin like the cuticles. So no, it is a bit of a wonder balm. It is. Well, the original one is. I suppose you couldn't put that on your cuticles because you just look silly with pink nails. So I'll just gather everything all up. So these are the 6 items in October's Look Fantastic box. We've got that lip balm, which it'll either have the original or the tinted. Then we've got this neck and décolletage cream, and we've got this bubble mask, and then we've got a mineral body lotion, and we've got a Pixi by Petra blush. And what have we got here? Oh, it's a nighttime renewal complex. So it's a cream there. So no, I'm quite chuffed this month actually. I'm really excited to try the bubble mask. I will do a video on it. But no, I love this tint. I know I'll use it. I'm going to use that cream as well. I'm going to try and incorporate that into my daily skincare. Try and get rid of my double chins. But yeah, as I said, I'm going to pop that into a future giveaway box. And yeah, looking forward to trying the lotion as well after a bath, and the cream in a few weeks once I've finished all the Sunday Riley stuff. So no, I think quite a good box this month. What do you think? As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts, whether you think it's good value for money and whether you get it and you're happy, or if you're not, and all that, anything like that. I love to hear your thoughts. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I have got a glossy box coming. I've got a pink parcel, my daughter's got a Betty box, and a few others as well. So yeah, so lots to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.